3D printing is the future. In the future, there'll be a box inside of your house that looks like a fridge, but it's not a fridge. Inside this box is anything you want. You need a new shirt, you need new pants, you need some new shoes, you need a part for your TV, you need a part for your fridge. It's all inside the box. This box is a 3D printer that can make anything you want. That is the future that we're aiming towards here at YSM. First thing we're starting with though is fashion. So we're integrating 3D printing and fashion, and we're putting them together, revolutionizing the whole game. Here we have our first 3D print that we integrated with fashion on a sneaker. So it's a sneaker tag, just like an Air Force One sneaker tag, but this one is fully 3D printed and fully customized by YSM Studios. This is the bigger version to the small version that we have there. So you can actually see like how big it is. This would be the actual shoelace tag. Shoelace will loop into this and be on. So as you saw earlier in the video, this is a tag for your shorts right here. So we can even make short tags on the 3D printer. You see it? It's pretty much the same design as the shoelace tag, but with just slight modifications. But as you can see, we can do a whole lot of different things with the 3D printer, and then the applications are endless. So soon what we'll be doing is making the actual fabric out of 3D printing, like 3D printed fabric. Think about that. Any short, any design that you could ever want, we could just make it. And that is the future of YSM Studios. Thank you.